Alright, so if it'll focus, on the way to go look at a car. I don't know. We're gonna see if I can work it out. But we're gonna try to go get this, you know, new classic, new car for the channel. I'm excited. I'm gonna start making videos. I'm just gonna start posting, start dropping. So whether y'all watch it or not, oh well. All right, this the whip. Y'all let me know. 76. Yeah, it's got the 4-post. I mean the door post, but you can't get everything. It rides good. I don't know where the mileage thing's at. Right there, boom. 74,000 original miles. But it's gonna give me a good play. So, gotta go that way. AC car. There's no AC though, it don't work in here. But, it just needs to be charged up. I wish it was the one with the no post. My uncle had one back in the day, I always wanted it, but it's alright.